In this video, we're going to talk about sources of information and assistance that are available to you as a faculty member trying to structure a student design course. The first point I'd like to make is that a number of people and departments at the university have helped in putting together a student design course faculty toolkit that's available online. And this toolkit is far and away the most up-to-date and current and thorough source of information on where you should go with your questions about structuring your student design course. I will provide you a couple names and departments that you can go to, but again, you should always check with the faculty toolkit to find the current information. The first source of assistance is Rick Brandon, who's in the Office of General Counsel. Rick is the appropriate contact for questions from faculty about U of M's standard IP or confidentiality agreements, or questions related to the law behind faculty-created inventions at the University of Michigan. Another contact is Nadine Wong in the Office of Technology Transfer. Nadine is the appropriate contact for questions about students wishing to assign their intellectual property to the University of Michigan to be commercialized through the Tech Transfer Office, U of M standard IP or confidentiality agreements, general intellectual property questions, or questions about faculty-created intellectual property. Other contacts include Sharon Sivier or Blair Gerdes in the Office of Research and Sponsored Programs. They're the appropriate contacts for questions about relationships with external sponsors at the University of Michigan and how to structure those relationships. Another contact is Linda Forsyth in the College of Engineering Research Administration Department. Linda is the appropriate contact for questions about general research administration. Another contact is John McLaughlin in the College of Engineering Corporate Relations Department. John's the appropriate contact for finding potential sponsors of projects for your design course and in processing gift agreements related to those projects. One last source of information is the Entrepreneurship Clinic at the University of Michigan Law School. The Entrepreneurship Clinic provides legal services to student entrepreneurs at the University of Michigan. Students can apply to the clinic to obtain legal services. It's a competitive process, so not everyone's accepted. But the clinic also goes around campus providing office hours where students can make an appointment to get basic questions answered about intellectual property and entrepreneurship and startup legal questions. These are just some of the current resources that are available to you as a faculty member here to help you in structuring a great experience for your sponsors, yourself, and your students in your student design course. Again, the best source of information is the student design course faculty toolkit that can provide you with the most thorough and current source of resources that are available to help you. Conception, and therefore invention, is defined as the formation in the mind of the inventor of a definite permanent idea of a complete and operative invention as is thereafter to be used in practice.